Fixed your own credit? That's a big deal. But what if you could take those skills and turn them into something bigger? First reason, demand. Credit repair services are always needed. People are struggling with their credit and they need your expertise. You can help them get back on track just like you did for yourself. Second, low startup costs. Starting a credit repair business doesn't need a huge investment. You already have the skills, you're halfway there. Third, flexibility. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere. You get to decide how to run your business. Fourth, empowerment. Think about how amazing it felt when you fixed your credit. Now imagine helping others feel that same freedom. It's a powerful feeling. Lastly, financial freedom. By turning your credit repair skills into a business, you can build a steady income stream and create the life you've always wanted. So why not take what you already know and turn it into your own business? You've already proven you can fix credit. Now it's time to build your future. Ready to learn more? Visit Creditbiz.info for free training on how to start your own credit repair business today.